Hey everybody, Damon, Severed Hand Sabers here, and this is our latest commission. Dustin, who originally sent me his Kiadi hilt a few months ago, contacted me again, and he said he had a lot of hilts, but the first ones we decided to take the plunge on were these two Veezee Hilts from KR Sabers, and he wanted two Proffieboard version 2s in each of these. So these are both Neopixel ready and ready to go. But they're really interesting hilts. They're pretty complicated. There's like 38 parts with these hilts. Both have one button function, and this one is a little different. I added a little bit of weathering to this one for him. Not a ton, just some carbon scoring looks and little nooks and crannies here. So it's just been through some stuff, and this other one here, this white one, hasn't been touched at all. Just a basic install with the Proffie. So the Proffie is in here. You have two retention screws, and it's a twist, and it slides off. Now to get to your recharge port, just unscrew this here, right there. So great one button functionality with the Proffie. And what I love about this one button function is you have color changing in hilt. Just hold it upside down. Then you hear that, and you just kind of twist it, turn it, and get to whatever color you want. Now you're in a different color. Easy lockup. Switch fonts.
Were deceived. Darth Chair.
Has an interesting music function where you hold the button down and do a clash. Then you can repeat that action to shut the music down. That's basically it. I put a bunch of fonts in here, a bunch of fun ones.
Light.
Got a little ceiling in here, so I can't do a lot of stuff with it. But I love that color change. That is just the best. So that's the Veezee. Two of these going to Dustin here soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching.